Hello, welcome back to WINFX Trading YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to cash infinity number of candles trading Boomcrash Indices. Okay, I don't upload video anyhow. I look at the problem traders are facing and I go out there to find out the solution to those problems. In today's video, you are going to learn how to cash infinity number of candles trading Boomcrash Indices. Here, you are not going to be cashing spike. You are going to be trading the main direction of Boomcrash market, okay? So the first thing you need to do is find the trend of the market in the H4. Okay, before I continue, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, try your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification, and try to like and share our channel to others so that YouTube will push us to high level of audience. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to find the trend of the market in H4. Look for strong resistance and support. Okay, you are looking for strong resistance and support. You are looking for trend also. Wait for break of structure in M5 or M15 for entry in the direction of the trend, in the direction of trend. So you are going to be making use of this strategy when the market is trending in the main direction of Boomcrash market. So I'm going to go for charts so that you see this practically. Okay, this is crash 300. Okay, in this strategy you are looking for trend in the direction of the boom and crash market. So for crash market, you are looking for uptrend, and for boom market, you are looking for downtrend. Okay, so let's start with crash market. Let's start with crash 300. You are looking for uptrend. How do you know that is uptrend? In uptrend, you can easily notice that the market is making higher high. The market is making higher high. It's making higher high. Okay, that's what you notice in uptrend. And for an uptrend to exist, there must be a downtrend that has completed. Okay, you look for that downtrend and see how the current trend is. See how the current trend is breaking levels with respect to the previous downtrend. You see that price break this level. Then if you extend it, you see that it was also a level. It acted as a support during. It acted as both support and resistance during downtrend, but now price has broken it. Okay, so the market is making higher high. Okay, you now look for a strong. This is uptrend now. You look for a strong resistance along the uptrend. An example of strong resistance is this. This is a resistance. A resistance is where buyers pick up. A resistance is where buyer pick up after a retracement. So this is a resistance point. So this is price came here and push up. Okay, so this is a resistance. So you will extend this resistance. Just extend it. Okay, but don't wait for price to move and start coming back to a resistance. When you map your resistance, look for nearest possible way to enter the resistance. You can enter somewhere here. You can enter somewhere here. You can enter this resistance somewhere here. You can enter somewhere here. How do you enter? You go to 15 minutes time frame. You go to 15 minutes time frame and look for break of structure. Let's go there. So this is where you should be looking for entry. Okay. You look for break of structure. You see that there is break of structure here. There is break of structure there. You see, market break out of this and retest. So you enter here. You put your stop loss below, like about the resistance. This is crash market. So you put your stop loss below the resistance point. So you put it below here. This is a resistance point at a higher time frame in the H4. Okay. You put it below here. You put it below. You can either put it below this resistance point, or you go back to H4. Okay. Okay, it's okay. You put it below the resistance point. It's okay. You put it below the resistance point. Now we have understood how to get entry for crash market. Let's go to boom and crash. Let's go to boom market. Whatever I say on 1000 apply to other boom markets. Now let's go on H4. We don't need uptrend because we are catching direction, not spike. We don't need uptrend. We are looking for downtrend. You want where the market is breaking level in the downside. That means an uptrend must have completed. So you have to locate that uptrend. The best way to figure out a new trend is when the old trend has been completed. So you figure out the trend. You figure out an up, because we're looking for that trend. Figure out a completed uptrend. When you figure out a completed uptrend, that is when you will see a downtrend. You can never see a downtrend, or you can never see a new trend if you cannot figure out an old trend and understand the breakout. The old trend, price have to break out of the old trend for the new trend to exist. So that's has happened. We have a breakout here, and that breakout must come with a retest. So we have a breakout from this trend line and the retest to it. Okay, so when that retest has completed, you are now looking for a strong level. You'll be looking for, since you are selling, you'll be looking for resistance during buying. When you are buying and crash, when you are buying crash, you are looking for support. So if I mention resistance, you call it support. I'm sorry for that. So when you are selling, you are looking for resistance. When you are buying, you are looking for support. Okay. So we are looking for a strong resistance for we to sell. So this level is a strong resistance. A resistance is where price come and create sell, okay, and push price downwards. But a support is where price come and push price upwards. So for boom market, we are looking for resistance where price came and go down. But for crash, we are looking for support where price come and go up. So when you get this support area, you go to 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame. I prefer 15 minutes time frame. When you go to the 15 minutes time frame, you are looking for break of structure. You are looking for break of structure. You are looking for break of structure. We are at that resistance zone. This is the resistance zone. Okay? You are looking for break of structure along a path. So you are not going to just enter, you look for break of structure. So we have break of structure here. You wait for a test. There is a break of structure here. Price came and break here and retest. So you are going to put your stop loss at the above the support. Your stop loss will be above the support area. Okay, you are going to enter here and put your stop loss above the support area, and then you should have right you should have right the market all the way down. Let's go to H4, all the way from here down to here. Okay, because the trend have changed. That's why you have to mark your support very well. Make sure you put your stop loss above that support so that market will not come and take you out. Okay, if possible, get your stop loss at H4. Use H4 to calculate your stop loss. Just put your stop loss above the resistance and then enter after break of structure in the 15 minutes time frame. Put your stop loss above the resistance. Okay, so if you have learned something from this video, try to give this video a like and try to share to your network. Try to subscribe to my channel. We have Boom and Crash group where we share only Boom and Crash signal. You are welcome to join the VIP Boom and Crash group so that you make massive profit with us. It's very, very cheap to join. The weekly is $50. So if you cannot afford the monthly, which is $150, you can afford the weekly and start changing your life. Okay? Thank you and bye for now.